I was going to tell you about I guess this is a modern problem for us and anybody else on the internet these days, and that is a few days ago I got an email from a woman, and she attached some PDF documents and says, Tom, would you please review these contracts for me?
Okay.
And of course, when I do that, I go and I search our database. I search her name, don't find it. Search her email address, don't find it. Search her phone number, don't find it. We have an old database from back in the day, so I open up that one and just see if she's in there. Don't find it.
Okay.
So I emailed back to her and I said, hey, are you a client of ours? I'm not finding you in our database. And I do not get a response from her.
Okay.
And then a day or two later, she calls the front desk, and I get a message from the front desk. This lady is asking, when will you be able to review her contracts for her? She needs to know an answer to these things. And here's her phone number. So I called her up and I said, hey, are you a client of ours? And she goes, no, I've never met you before.
Okay.
And I go, well, as you might imagine, I don't open email attachments from strangers.
Right. Exactly.
She goes, oh, I get it. And by the way, I emailed you back asking if you were a client of ours. I never heard back from you. Doubly, I'm not going to open up her attachments. So she, so she's confirmed me. She's somebody real.
Okay.
She's not somebody trying to rip us off.
Right.
But it's just kind of odd that somebody who doesn't know us or anything about us, or we don't know who they are, would email us attachments expecting that we're going to open them up and jump right on it when we don't even know who they are.
Correct. I agree, without any type of other introduction or a call by that person to say, hey, Tom, I'm getting your voicemail, but I just want to let you know I am so-and-so and I'm about to email you.
Exactly.
So that if they just did that,
or Tom,
it
I've
would
never
give
met
you
you before, but my friend Bill referred me to you. Something.
And I am going to email this to you just for because here's the thing, and we know we have an IT company that manages for us. They are the ones sharing with us all the time as well. Don't open up emails from people that you don't know. Unfortunately, there are so many issues and concerns that we have to be extra cautious. It's not that we want it to be that way, but we don't have a choice.
Well, in fact, we can read the email. We're just not opening up any attachments, and we're not clicking on any links.
Correct.
And people out there say, Tom, how is this really a problem? Well, guess what? On a regular basis,
it is a problem.
We get
yes.
We have a great spam service, but we still get them, and they look so legit. I mean, I got one this morning. It says, attached are the loan documents for your review.
You're right.
And so that
and the minute you click on it.
Oh, I wouldn't dare do that.
No, I'm saying it's intentional that the minute you click, because you're like, what? Yeah. I don't know about any loan. You click on it, and now it starts the process.
Well, I might very well have had a client that says, Tom, I'm going to have the lender send the loan documents for review, but here's an email that comes from the lender. They don't tell me who my client is.
Yes.
I don't know who this is a reference to.
Correct.
Goodness, people.
Yeah,
This is 2024. Everybody's got to be a little bit wise about what they're doing on the internet.
That's right.
Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law.